Good morning, students. Today is 9th March. Thought of the week is don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Chapter 15 Area. Now we are towards the next topic of area, that is practice set 15.5. Children, we have seen some examples in the last period how to find the area of a plot. Now practice set 15.1. First question, find the areas of the given plots. Here all the measures are given in meters. So this is the figure which is given in the question. You have to draw the figure and write down the solution. Now one by one here we will find the area of each triangle. So here there are three triangles. This is one triangle PAQ, another triangle RCS, and then PTS, and one trapezium, that is QAR, that is QACR, this one. Okay, so one by one, first take a triangle PAQ. Now area of triangle PAQ is what? It is a right angle triangle. That means half into base into height. So it is equal to half into base. Base is what? This base is PA and height is what? QA. So PA into QA, half into PA into QA. Now PA is given as 30 meter and QA is given as 50 meter. Okay, in the figure the measurements are given. Now after cancellation, 30 with 2, what you will get? 15, and 15 into 50 is 750 square meter. In this way we get the area of triangle PAQ as 750 square meter. Now the next figure is what? QACR or QRCA. This is a trapezium. What is the formula for trapezium? Area of trapezium QRCA is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. What is the formula? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. So now write down half into sum of parallel sides. Which are the parallel sides here? This is AQ is the parallel side and CR is the parallel side. So AQ plus CR in bracket, and what is the height? Height is AC. For this trapezium, which is the height? AC is the height. Now substitute the value for AQ and CR and AC. So half into 50 plus 25 into 60. AC is 60. Now half into 50 plus 25 is 75 into 60. So let us cancel 60 with 2. 2 ones are and 2 30s are. So 75 into 30 is 2250 square meter. So in this way we have found the area of trapezium QRCA as 2250 square meter. So in this way now we will solve the next area. So area of trapezium QRCA is 2250 square meter. That is yes, it is meter, it is not centimeter. Okay, so write down here meter. Now let us take another triangle. Which triangle? Triangle RCS. Okay, the third triangle. This is the first, this is the trapezium, and this is the next triangle RCS. So what is the area of triangle RCS? Again half into base into height, which is equal to half into, which is the base here? CS is base and height is RC. So CS into RC. Substitute the value for CS and RC. Half into 60 into 25, which is given as 750 square meter. Okay children, square meter. Now area of triangle RCS is 750 square meter. Okay, this area is what? 750 square meter. Now the next triangle PTS. Area of triangle PTS is again half into base into height. So which is the base here? Half into base is PS. This complete PS is the base and height is what? This TB. So half into PS into TB. Now calculate here, substitute the value for PS and TB. So it is half into PS. Now what is the length of PS here? This P to S, how much centimeter meter here? 30 plus 30 plus 30, it is 90. 90 plus 60, it is 150. So 150. PS is 150 and TB is what? This is given as 30 meter. So 150 into 30. And it is multiplied with half. So what you will get? 2250 square meter. This is the area for triangle PTS, that is 2250 square meter. Now in this way we have found each and every area. Now let us find the complete area of the plot PQRST. So area of plot is equal to, first you will add all the areas. Area of triangle PAQ plus area of trapezium QRCA plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PTS. In this way, one by one, substitute the value, that is 750 plus 2250 plus 750 plus 2250. So complete answer is what? 6000 square meter. In this way, what is the area of the plot? Area of the plot is 6000 square meter. Okay children, so the first sum is over. Now let us start the second of the same practice set. Find the area of the plot. Here the plot is given as ABCDE. So one by one, take one triangle. In triangle ABC, angle BAE is 90 degree. In triangle this, here we have to take BAE. BAE, here angle A, that is BAE, is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we will take? Length BE is the longest side. So length BE square is equal to length AB square plus length AE square. Now AB is what? 24 and BE is 30. So 30 square is equal to 24 square plus length AE. AE we don't know. So 30 square means 900 and 24 square means 576 plus length AE square. Now what will be length AE square? If you subtract 576 from 900, you will get 324. This will be length AE square is 324. Therefore length AE is 18. 300 square root of 324 is 18 meter. Now in this way we have the area of triangle BAE. Okay children. Now let us find another triangle area. Now area of triangle ABE, it is equal to what? Half into base into height, that is equal to this length we have taken as AE as 18 meter, this AE. Now when all the three sides are given, so let us substitute in the formula for triangle ABE. Half into base into height, that is equal to half into AB into AE. So area of triangle ABC. Here it is not ABE, it is ABC children. So it is half into 24. AB is what? 24. And AE just now we have found as 18. So half into 24 into 18, it is equal to 216 square meter. Therefore, area of triangle ABE is what? 216 square meter. Okay children? Area of triangle ABE is what? 216 square meter. Now in this way, let us find the another area of the same sum. So area of triangle CDE. Which triangle now? This CDE. We will take half into base into height, that is equal to half into, which is the base here? Base is CE and height is DF. So half into 28 into 16. This is 28 and this ED is 16. Therefore, area of triangle CDE is what? 224 square meter. After the cancellation, we will get 224 square meter. So we get two areas. Now for triangle BCE, which triangle is left? BCE. Okay. So BC, for BC, let us take BC as A. This BC as A. Then that is 26 meter. Then BE as B. BE, that is small b, is 30 meter. And what is CE then? CE, let us take C. That is 28 meter. Okay. So now for this triangle we know all the three sides. So let us find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to 26 plus 30 plus 28 upon 2. That is what? 84 upon 2, and it will be equal to 42 meter. So now we have semi-perimeter of this triangle. So let us find the area. Area of triangle BCE using the Heron's formula, that is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to, what is S now? 42. So 42 into S minus A, that is 42 minus 26, 42 minus 30, 42 minus 28. Now after subtraction we will get 42 into 16. 42 minus 26 is 16, 42 minus 30 is 12, and 42 minus 28 is 14. So after this, what we'll do? We will find the factors of 42. So 7 into 2 into 3, then 16 factors are 4 into 4, then 12 factors are 2 into 2 into 3, that is 4 3s are, and 14 factors are 7 into 2. In this way we have found the factors. Now let us calculate the squares. How many times 7 comes? 2 times. That square and this square root get cancelled, and we will write 1 times 7. Then this 2 and this 2, that is square, so 1 time 2. Now again one more 2 and this 2, so it is square, then that will be 2. Then 3 we will get 2 times, so again 3. 4 we are getting 2 times, so 4. So one by one we will multiply and find the answer. So after the multiplication, what we'll get? 336 square meter. This is the area for triangle BCE. So now we get area of triangle BCE as 336 square meter. So in this way we got all the three areas. So let us write down all the areas, and we will add the complete area in the area of the plot. So find the area of the plot. Therefore area of the plot is area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle CDE plus area of triangle BCE. All the three areas we will add, which is equal to 216 square meter plus 224 square meter plus 336 square meter. In this way, after addition, what we'll get? 776 square meter. Therefore, area of the plot is 776 square meter. Understood, children? So here we have finished the practice set, both two sums, and in the next part we will see other sums, that is the other topic. Okay, children?